All right, everybody, we're going to do some final exam multiple choice practice here. And here it comes. There we go. And we're going to do that one last. And right now, we're going to ask ourselves this question. And where are these questions found? Final exam review, Moodle section 8. Moodle section 8. And which of the following compounds is or are chiral? Now, number one, just do a quick redraw of the molecule, and you'll see that it looks like this. It's got the front carbon here. This is one. Front carbon, back carbon. Has a couple methyls on the back carbon. And the back carbon has an H. Front carbon has a CH3 and an H and a Br. And I definitely see a stereocenter, and I don't see a possibility of meso. That's the only thing that would cancel a molecule that has stereocenters from being chiral is if it's also meso, but you would have to have the same stereocenter twice for that, and we don't have that clearly. So one is definitely chiral. Two, not so much, because here's two, same logic. Back carbon, I'll just do to the right. It's got 3 H's on it. And the front carbon has a CH3 sticking up in the air, an H and a Br. And that carbon has 2 CH3s. The thing that could be a stereocenter is not a stereocenter. It has 2 CH3s. So, no. Not chiral. And 3, we don't have to redraw at all. It doesn't have a stereocenter, and it's not a special case. Now, I don't want you to start thinking that stereocenters are in the definition of chiral. They're not. A chiral molecule is not superimposable on its mirror image is the only definition. And there are molecules that are chiral without stereocenters. This question, one only would be the answer. I'll give you an example of a chiral molecule that has 0 stereocenters. Here it is. It's in the textbook. I'm just taking it straight from the textbook. I wouldn't say that. Now, because the carbon in the middle has 2 pi bonds, one of them is py-py and the other is pz-pz, the carbon in the middle, that means the pi bonds are like this to each other, right? 90 degrees. Trying to look at my hands here. Yeah. Which means this plane over here is now a plane here, and this thing's chiral right here without a stereocenter. That's not a stereocenter anywhere. You prove it to yourself by, and it's a little trickier with this one, by drawing its mirror image and then using your deductive abilities, shall we say. Now, doing this on a video here is going to be hard. It's better if I go to the screen and do it. And I don't know, can I get the screen on here? Let's try this. What's it? Old school mixed with new school? I don't know. What do we got on that? I need a videographer here. I can't. I'm trying to get these 2 molecules on the screen in that little video up there. And I'm not seeing them at all. Here, raise this up here. I'm here now. I don't see that. I gotta go like this, right? You can just move the phone. We got both? It's upside down. Or am I just, I'm tripping.
Rotate it.
Anyway, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna just, hey, this is for people that are here. I am sorry to say. And I just want you, this is not hard. I'm just gonna be this guy here, okay? H back there. You remember H is this hand and a methyl out here, right? And when I do the mirror, and when I flip it over to try to superimpose it on this, remember H is here. H. This is the H, right? Now when I'm over here, where's the H? This, and that doesn't match a methyl. There's an H right on top of a methyl. They do not match. They're not superimposable. You can almost see it, right? So this definitely matches this if I just flip it over, right? Methyl on methyl is, hey, it's in the same spot. H matches H, but when I get this part over here, the wedge is now going to be back there because I rotate it this way, okay? Anything that was a wedge here is now sticking behind the page over here because I want it to go like that. Anything that was here is now behind the page.
Can you show on the stage 3 stages?
This is easy. It's right here, flip this, it's right there, right on top. They're on top of each other, the same thing. I don't want to spend too much time on this video because these people that are watching this video are saying, what the heck is he doing?
I thought you were superimposing them like.
I'm trying to superimpose them and I was unsuccessful. I did superimpose the methyl and the H. That was that and that. They just ended up on top of each other.
So if you were to do that thing right now, holding the methyl and the H, it would still be the same thing. They would like see the methyl.
This part would superimpose, but this part will not.
Oh.
All right, this video's got to be killed. All right, we're going to stop the video.